What's up, African Diaspora? It's your favorite attorney, Attorney Allie Booker. And coming to you, of course, we've been discussing politics. Okay, everybody's getting arrested, everybody's getting charged. It's a mess. I almost feel like it's a political game. We know that, right? It's a political game. Um, One of the things I wanted to discuss is Biden's son Hunter's plea deal and why the judge denied his plea deal. We need to talk about the circumstances surrounding plea deals, the ability for judges to deny these plea deals because we have to deal with court a lot, right? And the laws are normally unequally applied towards us, correct? So we have to know what boat we're in, and it's also good to know exactly what's going on the federal level with respect to those plea deals as well with the politicians, right? Because that's the president's son. And then we have Trump and all these other people getting in trouble. So here's what's going on. The judge, well, not most, all judges on the federal level are appointed. None of them are elected. When they are appointed, they get a seat for the rest of their lives. For the rest of their lives. They die on that bench, okay? They have to give that bench up. Other than that, they remain there forever. They're appointed, and they're appointed by the President of the United States. That's why it's very important to know who you have on the federal level. When vacancies within the court open up, these vacancies are filled by the president. Whatever party is in control is the party that is going to put someone with their similar beliefs in that seat. So federal judges do identify with Republican or Democrat, and you can tell based on who put them in office. Other than that, they are completely unbiased, and they are not supposed to utilize political parties or anything of the sort in their decision making. This particular judge that Hunter Biden has went in front of denied his plea deal. And what she stated was, I just don't see enough right now for him to be able to get probation. Remember, these judges have to be unbiased and fair. It doesn't matter whether a Democrat or a Republican put them in the seat. They have to be fair. And she's being looked at by the entire United States. All of these plea deals with the Proud Boys, everybody from the January 6th election, all of the corruption politically that's going on right now, the corruption surrounding the last president, Trump, okay, and now the corruption surrounding Biden, all of it has to be looked at and gauged fairly, equally. And although these judges are a part of a political party, they're not allowed to rule as if they are. They can get what's called a writ of mandamus handed down on them, which is basically a judicial error saying that they've done something that's improper. Judges have licenses just like attorneys. If you catch them breaking the rules, they can get disbarred just like an attorney. So they have to be very straightforward. They have to rule properly because somebody can appeal their ruling at any point, put it before a higher court, and they'll be looked at to see whether or not they did something wrong. She doesn't want to play favorites. Even though this is the president's son, in her opinion, there are people that have come through her court that didn't get probation for the same thing. Hunter's going to have to do some work, guys. Basically, Hunter has not turned in enough people and has not done enough work for the federal government to be able to deserve probation. And so they believe that the situation that he's in and the things that he has access to, he knows more. And he's going to have to help more. That's the only way. If a plea deal is denied, the only way for you to change your scores, okay, and to look good to the court is to do more good. What good could Hunter Biden do? Help find others who've done the same and help bring down the people that are associated with him that assisted him in doing so. If you don't do that, they don't feel as if you need reprieve. And you can go to jail like everybody else if you ain't gonna work. So we've got to see what Hunter Biden is out here doing, because that is going to show big when he goes back to court. He's got to do some more so he can qualify for this probation, because she's kicked it back and denied it. A judge always has a judge is an umpire. They have a veto power like no other. They can accept any plea deal or reject any plea deal in their court. They may not be the ones issuing the plea deals because The United States District Attorney's Office gave him that deal, but the judge has the right to block the deal and say that she or he does not believe it's fair, and that's what she's done. Keep a lookout on Biden's son. See who he's around and what he's doing. Because if he doesn't get to work, he's going to have to do some jail time. Until next time, court stands in a recess. Make sure you add me on Instagram, she_ya_lawyer, YouTube, Legal Cutie, TikTok, Legal Cutie, where I discuss law. I look at cases that are brought to me, individuals who write me, and I tell you what the law is and give you my professional opinion, okay? As I'm doing here today. Keep up with me. Stay tuned. We're going to go through all this political stuff that's going on because it's getting hot and heavy. We're getting close to election time, and there will be more. Bye-bye.